everybody. I'm super excited. Today is day 3 of the organizing challenge, and I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. I can't wait to see more before and after pictures. I can't wait to see how you guys are doing after the challenge is over. So I know I said I was going to wait till the second week of the challenge to announce what the prize will be, but I'll give you a little hint today. It's green and you can spend it. And in order to be considered to win the prize or win the challenge, you have to do two things. You have to add people to the group that you think will benefit from being in the group, and you also have to post your before and after pictures in the group. This information that is posted will only be shared with members in the group that can see it. It won't be posted to social media or anything, or on my site or anything like that. So you have total confidence that this is just for everybody that's in the group. And it is for us to really engage and keep each other encouraged. So stick with it, see it through. You're already 3 days in, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to see the finished product when you're done in 30 days. So today, since it's day 3, we're still in our bedroom. We're gonna do our dresser drawers. Yes, the drawers, the stuff in place for out of sight, out of mind. The thing is, yes, it's out of sight, but no, it's not really out of mind, because if you keep like your underwear, your bras, all your undergarments in the dresser drawer, you're going through them every day. You're probably going through them, in the morning, at night, or whenever you go through it. But at the end of the day, you're actually seeing the clutter. You're seeing the clutter every day, but you just don't acknowledge it because you can just shut the drawer and keep it moving. You don't really want to be concerned with how much you get rid of, but you want to really focus on what you get rid of. You want to focus in on, let's get rid of those undergarments that have holes in it, the ones that are just colored. Ladies, our bras, how we get those bras where after a certain amount of time of wear, the wire comes out. Let's get rid of those PJs that you got from somebody from like 3 Christmases ago, and you haven't worn them yet. So let's get rid of those things. The ones that's really in not good condition, you want to go ahead and throw those away. The ones that somebody can use, you probably have underwear that you've never worn before and somebody can use, let's give those away. You guys, let's really focus on decluttering it, purging it, making sure that you have space. Not saying it's space for you to go and buy something else, but space for you to really go through your drawers when you need it, and only use what you need. Only keep what you need. Only keep what you've been using for the last couple of months. So remember, the rule of thumb is for dresser drawers, it's 3 to 6 months. Undergarments is always 3 to 6 months because you can wear those on a repeated basis. When it comes to your closet and other areas, 6 to 12 months are good because you have to wait till that season come around to wear certain outfits like shorts or pants. So 3 to 6 months is a rule of thumb for if you should get rid of an item or not. Have you worn it in that time frame? If you haven't, let's go ahead and get rid of it. So you guys, don't be afraid. Day 3 of the organizing challenge. I'm super excited. Can't wait to see your before and after. Or in this challenge, what I want you to do is take a picture of your bags, your giveaway bags, or your trash bags. So you can take a picture of that if you don't really want to show your dresser drawers, which I'm completely fine with. That's a little bit more intimate as far as your undergarments. So day 3, keep going, keep pushing. Let's see it through.